XPR has the potential to become the new financial phoenix. XPR, along with the Metallicus ecosystem like Metal blockchain, Loan protocol, Metal Pay, all of them are doing something that the traditional finance has never seen. It is a blockchain. It is creating a blockchain infrastructure that is totally self-reliant and totally transforming the game of finance. We're going to be looking at Snipverse as well and the Metallicus ecosystem as a whole as to what is happening. Look at this. This is Seriuman Reborn. XPR network is the blockchain top 33 by DEX volume in 24 hour. Now look at this. In front of Ada Cardano and Stellar. So this shouldn't be taken lightly, folks. These are some signs that which ecosystem has vigor, which has potential, which has energy. The data isn't tracked yet in DeFi Llama, but is verifiable in Metal DEX. Last week there were days that it would have been in the top 20 of all blockchains, folks. So this is data. Data indeed is greater than speculation because data does not lie. These are mathematics. This is the fact. And it goes on to show us that XPR is undervalued by many metrics. Soon, obviously, the market will realize it. It will realize what is happening. So yeah. Anyways, let's go on ahead and check this out. Yo Riddlers, homie is literally cruising in a purple rocket ship. The best thing about XPR is the riddles like XRP community, folks. XPR also has them. These are for fun as well as for symbolism. Check this out. But when I connect the dots, purple keeps showing up everywhere in these riddles. Purple road, purple flag, purple rocket ship, and you know what purple is, XPR, the whole time. I mean, it is all fun and games, to be honest, up until things become a reality. Let's stop playing around here, bro. So let's see what the people have commented over here. It all leads to purple. Sounds like you're gonna have to change that. BG123 merch up soon. I choose the purple road onward. My favorite number in the entire alphabet is purple. This is David Schwartz. Okay. Marshall Hayner and David Schwartz are friends, it seems. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, this is all. These are all fun and games. I really like the symbolism, but the technicals are also healthy at the moment. Look at this. XPR broke out of a falling wedge pattern and started to rally again, according to CW over here. It bounced off from this level over here, and ever since that time it has crossed and broken through this trend line, the resistance point over here. If it breaks through this level over here, I think it has a shot to go up and reclaim really good levels. Okay. How to start trading XPR networks, native governance and resource token XPR on MetalX in under 1 minute. So if you want to learn about it, how to buy XPR on MetalX, let me play this for you guys. Check this out.
Looking to buy XPR? Let's walk through the fastest and easiest way to do it using USDC and the MetalX platform. Start by heading to MetalX Bridge and deposit your USDC. Once confirmed, you'll receive XUSDC, your one-to-one token equivalent on the XPR network. From here, you've got two simple options to get your XPR. First option, head to the swap page on MetalX, choose XUSDC as your input and XPR as your output. Confirm the trade, and just like that, you've got XPR in your wallet. Fast, free from gas fees, and effortless. Prefer trading on the open market? Use your XUSDC to mint XMD and then head over to the XMD XPR market on the MetalX DEX. Trade like a pro with full control, tight spreads and zero gas fees. So whether you go with a quick swap or dive into the DEX, buying XPR with USDC on MetalX is as smooth as it gets.
Awesome, folks. It is as easy as it gets once you get a know-how of how the swaps work, how DeFi works, how the decentralized exchanges work. If you used Uniswap or PancakeSwap, then you'll be well acquainted of what Metallicus's DeFi is all about. But it is regulated. It is much more. It has a much more better framework on hand. Anyways, imagine putting this on top of XPR and letting Loan just run with it, the blockchain to house all finance. Okay. Or should we put it on Metal instead? Okay, serious transactions over here. Hyperliquid, okay. Let's hope that Metallicus achieves something great as well, the ecosystem as a whole. Look at this is Snipverse. We've covered Snip as well as a token. You can check the video out if you do not know what Snip is. Snips is the token. Snips supply shock incoming, built on XPR, by the way. Most people still think Snips has an unlimited supply because that's what the dashboard shows. But here's the truth. Total supply is capped at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 zeros. Now look at how many tokens are actually tradable right now. I think 100 billion or 1 trillion. Okay, category tokens percentage circulating 19 billion, 19%, currently staked, locked 12 months, 25 billion, 25%, future staking rewards through emission, 21 billion, 21%, other unreleased 35 billion, 35%, basically 100 billion, yeah? So according to Mr. JCM, a supply shock is incoming. Now, that means 81% of the supply is either locked or unreleased, and it gets even crazier. The staking pool pays only 3% per year, and most people are locking for 6 to 12 months. Obviously, when you stake a project or you stake a token for a certain amount of time, if a lot of people do it, it will create a supply shock, that's for sure. So in reality, Snips is operating with a 19 billion token float, not 100 billion. Why this matters? As demand continues to grow, more users, more staking, more activity, it will obviously increase the price. But in my opinion, folks, the future of Snip and the overall success of Snipverse is dependent on XPR and the Metallicus ecosystem as a whole. If the ecosystem is to survive, thrive, so would Snipverse. We've seen Loan Protocol perform really well, so by the looks of it, Snipverse also has the potential to go and reciprocate what Loan did, folks. Float is small, emission is slow, demand is growing. When people finally realize this isn't an infinite token, the chart won't just go up, it will snap, or it will snip. You see what I did there? Snipverse is here. This is Marshall. We are going to transition away from a debt-based slave system into a credit-based liberation system. The phoenix is the realization that money is belief. When the phoenix rises, the old belief system of usury dies with it. So basically, this is the new financial phoenix rising at the moment, folks. And Marshall is at the forefront with the leadership. Let's hope that the entire ecosystem does well. Loan has done remarkably well in the recent times. 1 week update, loan markets TVL equals to $44 million. Check this out, over $44 million total value locked. This is great. The future of banking is here with MetalPay and for institutions, according to Paul Gray over here. Let's check this out.
Everyday financial institutions are losing deposits as account holders withdraw funds to access crypto and external exchanges. What if you could offer digital assets embedded into your mobile banking experience with full compliance, full control, and low engineering lift? Introducing MetalPay for institutions. Offer your members secure crypto access, deploy your own stablecoin, and enable instant settlement, all on a compliant platform built for financial institutions. Retain deposits, grow non-interest revenue, serve your existing members, and attract new ones without compromise. We make it easy. Book a 15-minute demo at metalpay.com/institutions. The future of digital banking isn't somewhere else. It's time to move to Metal.
It is time to move to metal. And folks, if you stress or scrutinize, the key term in Metallica's ecosystems are the institutions. These are the target group in the Metallica's ecosystem. Metallica is building a platform for financial giants and a fully regulated infrastructure. Metallica's built the blockchain banking stack. Okay, awesome. Metal blockchain just hit 101 validators worldwide, strengthening our decentralization and security every day. So this is great, 101 validators. So more validators, obviously it means more resilience means more trust equals more institutions involved, and more institutions equals mass adoption, folks. So that is the target. That is where Metallica wants to go. Check this out. Metal blockchain, total validators 101, total assets 17, total transactions all approximately 60,000. Okay, 116 million metal staked. Metal blockchain C-chain is Metal blockchain's chain capable of executing EVM-based smart contracts. Metal blockchain, the X-chain. The X-chain is also known as the asset chain, allowing the creation and transfer of assets. And then we've got the P-chain. P-chain is the platform chain responsible for registering validators, the creation of subnets and blockchains. Awesome. Furthermore, folks, Metal blockchain, if you do not already know, it supports ISO 20022, the new messaging standard. It is BSA compliant. It has private public networks. It has a native digital identity. It is built for stablecoins as well. And now with the Genius Act and the Stablecoin Regulations Act, which it is also known for, already underway or already here, Metallica's ecosystem can benefit a lot from that. Everything a financial institution requires to migrate their existing operations on chain, and in the future everything will happen on chain, folks. The reason is that we're talking about tokenization, real world assets, we're talking about digital identity, digital payments, digital data transfer, and everything will be on blockchain. So the regulated projects, they can benefit a lot from this. Simple block with an interesting post over here. Good to see XPR pumping above the previous high before the week. This is a bullish sign, and let's hope it closes above. Obviously, let's hope that it happens. Look at the price at the moment, 0.00685550. August 17th, by the way. I do not know what the price is at the moment. You guys can go on and check it out. But if you look at the short-term price action, folks, look at this. If someone had bought around here 0.003, they already would have doubled or more than doubled their investment, folks. This is awesome. If it goes up and breaks through this resistance, then I think that the zero will indeed be killed. So obviously let's send it. Awesome. Here's a tip from a Metal OG. If you stake your loan for 4 years right now, then it will be unlocked during the next bull run. Now, if you don't understand bulls and bear cycles of crypto, then you got homework. Hopefully, folks, let's hope that the long-term hodling or staking it works out. Let's hope that Metallica does good, because you can see there is energy in the entire ecosystem. There is movement, to say the least. Made in the USA, BSA compliant, AML compliant, layer 0 blockchain, Metal. Okay, liquidity pools, smart contracts, rewarding rates. This is great, folks. Look at this. The Metal X lending's pressure-proven smart contracts ensure all loans are accurately tracked in real time. That is awesome. We covered the Q2 report, folks. You can check a breakdown over here as well. Let me bookmark this and repost this as well while we're at it. You can check this out. In a nutshell, we extensively and we elaborated this quarterly report for you guys in the last video. You can check it out. TDBN over here has given a summary over here as well for those interested. You can check it out. Awesome. Financial institutions lose member deposits to third-party crypto exchanges every day. And as you all know, the infrastructure is not regulated, so a lot of losses in the entire market. So, introducing Metal Pay for institutions, it offers the members crypto directly inside the existing infrastructure. So, it will benefit the institutions, KYC AML compliant, low engineering lift, and it is customizable. That is what Metal is all about. So, folks, Metallicus indeed is building a new financial system. It might be the new financial phoenix in the town. So, let's hope that XPR, Metal, Loan, Snipverse, they do well, and the Metallicus ecosystem can grow further. So, folks, what do you guys think about Metallicus and XPR? Do you think that it is indeed the new financial phoenix? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. You can also support the channel by checking out Patreon by following the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.